Welcome to another amazing, interesting facts about Mount Everest, the roof of the world. Mount Everest, standing majestically at 29,032 feet, 8,849 meters above sea level, holds the esteemed title of the highest mountain on Earth. Located in the Himalayas on the border between Nepal and the Tibet Autonomous Region of China, Everest has captured the imagination and ambition of adventurers and mountaineers since its discovery. Geological formation and discovery. The formation of Mount Everest dates back millions of years to the collision of the Indian and Eurasian tectonic plates. This collision resulted in the uplift of the Himalayan mountain range, with Everest emerging as its tallest peak. Geological processes, including erosion and glaciation, have shaped its iconic pyramid-like summit and rugged slopes. Mount Everest was named after Sir George Everest, a British surveyor-general of India, although local names such as Chomolungma, Tibetan, and Sagarmatha, Nepali, have long been used by the indigenous Sherpa and Tibetan communities. Mountaineering history. The allure of Mount Everest as the highest point on Earth drew explorers and adventurers seeking to conquer its summit. The first recorded attempt to ascend Everest was made in 1921 by a British reconnaissance expedition led by Lieutenant Colonel Charles Howard Berry. Further attempts followed in the 1920s and 1930s, leading to significant explorations and mapping of the region. In 1953, Sir Edmund Hillary of New Zealand and Tenzing Norgay, a Sherpa of Nepal, achieved the first confirmed summit of Mount Everest. Their successful ascent marked a historic moment in mountaineering and human achievement, solidifying Everest's place in global consciousness. Challenges and dangers. Mount Everest poses numerous challenges to climbers due to its extreme altitude, unpredictable weather, and treacherous terrain. The death zone, above 26,000 feet, 8,000 meters, presents a severe lack of oxygen, increasing the risk of altitude sickness, frostbite, and exhaustion. Climbers face crevasses, avalanches, and the physical strain of navigating steep, icy slopes. Over the years, hundreds of climbers have attempted to reach Everest's summit with varying degrees of success. Tragically, many have lost their lives in pursuit of this formidable challenge, highlighting the dangers and risks associated with high-altitude mountaineering. Environmental concerns. Mount Everest's popularity has also raised concerns about environmental impact and sustainability. The region faces issues such as littering, waste disposal, and the impact of human activity on fragile ecosystems. Efforts are underway to promote responsible tourism and conservation practices to preserve the natural beauty and biodiversity of the Everest region. Cultural significance. Beyond its physical attributes, Mount Everest holds profound cultural and spiritual significance for the Sherpa and Tibetan communities. It is revered as a sacred mountain and plays a central role in local mythology and religious traditions. The annual climbing season brings climbers, guides, and support staff from around the world, contributing to the local economy and fostering cultural exchange. Future exploration and conservation. As interest in Mount Everest continues to grow, ongoing efforts focus on balancing exploration with environmental conservation and sustainable tourism. Initiatives promote ethical climbing practices, waste management, and community development in the Everest region. Scientific research conducted on Everest contributes to our understanding of high-altitude physiology, climate change, and geological processes. Conclusion. Mount Everest stands as a symbol of human endeavor, exploration, and the indomitable spirit of adventure. Its towering summit challenges the limits of human achievement while reminding us of the fragile beauty of Earth's highest places. As we continue to explore and protect this iconic mountain, Mount Everest serves as a beacon of inspiration and a testament to the enduring allure of the world's natural wonders. For more interesting videos, please like and subscribe our channel. Thank for watching.